Hello friends, and welcome to our fourth video this week as we look at quick and easy tips in Excel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to filter and custom filter data values in Excel. My name is Mercy Consolata Kello. Let's get started. Filter helps you to organize your data values so that your analysis is simplified, and it works similar to sort except it only displays selected data values. For example, if you filter based on sex and we want to look at only male values, if you're in a cell here that has male, just right click, scroll down to filter, and then select filter by selected cells value. Now all the data values we're having here contain only male. The other option would be, if you're here, you just come over to editing, select sort and filter, after which you click on the filter, then you come over here to this right corner, click on it, and then come down here and select all, and then select the value that you want, and then you say OK. Now we have only the male values appearing. You can also filter based on more than just one variable or column. So for example, if you're filtered by the sex column and now you want to look at only those males that are aged 50 or more, so you just come over to the age column and then click this right corner. Then you can go manually and unselect this, then go and select the other values, scroll down, and then select each of these boxes, but that is way cumbersome. Easier method is to come here to number filter, then select these options. We want greater than or equal to. So once we are here, we want those male passengers that are greater than or equal to 50 years. Then you say OK. Now if you look at the column of age, see that the data values are 50 and above, and we're looking at only males. You can also do custom formats based on the cell color. So if we want to filter values so that only this cell color is appearing, you can come down to filter, scroll down here, filter by selected cells color, and we're having that. Next, you can also filter by font color. So do the same, scroll down, filter by selected cells font color, and you have that. Next, you can also filter based on icons. So if we want to look at only those values that are indicated by the green arrow, you can just select this, filter, then you scroll down, filter by selected cells icon, and that is it. Now, if you want to clear filter, you can just come over here and then clear filter from fair. However, if you have multiple filters, you can just highlight everything, come over to sort and filter, and then clear filter, and your data set is back to what it was originally. So in this video, I've showed you how you can go about doing filters, custom filters, and how to remove the filters that you have applied. If you've enjoyed the content of this video, please give the video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so that you're updated on new videos as they're released. Thank you and happy learning.